So this is a spinning boat tours that they do. I guess we could go.
Yeah,
It's so beautiful. And you love the music.
I'm thirsty.
Yeah. Look how colorful things are. Yeah. So they have this thing recording. Steam. So colorful, vibrant, and today's an overcast day, but we'll give it a shot. It's so colorful, so vibrant, and you just make your way down. These are like, what are they made of? Bamboo with plaster. They give you the life vest, a hat, protect you from getting overheated from the sun. Trying to make their way back. This is Hoi An, wild. Yeah. So we're gonna go on the boat ride, 40-minute ride, $800,000 for both of us total.
For both.
So $400,000 each. What is that? Like $5?
4 times 4. No, $16 each.
Okay. We're still trying to figure it out, but we'll get there. This will be fun.
Hopefully I don't fall in the water and drown because I don't know how to swim.
So here we go. Helmet. Hey.
Yeah.
And we're off.
Okay, so let me explain. 72.
Oh, wow.
I got only $200 a month, baby.
It's all right. That's how it is. Geography is destiny.
Yeah.
Hey.
Coconut to drink. Where's my coconut to drink? Okay. Bữa nay vắng nha chú hả? Không có đông. Tại chắc another way for them to make money.
No, I mean this was here before tourists.
Oh, hồi xưa chứ. Oh, because the ocean's out there, so all the people here, this is like, for fishing.
So they would launch
Yes.
straight from their porch onto
Correct.
this muddy river water and out to the ocean, do some fishing,
And then sell.
and bring back what they got and sell it and eat it. Okay, great navigation. What's up?
They're all lining up. Oh, they're waiting for traffic. How cute.
Hey!
Oh my God, it is crazy out there. Party boat out there.
Yeah, this is fun.
Sad when you think about it. Like,
Yeah.
If not, no.
Look at this.
There he goes. He's getting ready over here too. Well, sort of.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Of course, they got the.
Oh, put your hand inside.
How come?
I don't know. Amazing. Look at the bump into each other.
Beer on this thing. Beer. If they serve beer, this would be hella fun. Yeah, I think today's a good day.
Yeah.
Because it would be too hot
He
today.
said today is a really good day.
Yeah.
He said usually it's really hot.
Yeah, this guy's a show off. There you go. I see how they do it. Kind of rocking that boat. Colorful that is.
That's brilliant.
They're going for it, man. I think that guy's gonna throw up.
Yeah. It's bad. That guy doesn't look like he's doing it.
Oh, she's going.
Let me do it.
No, I don't want to.
So the colored rainbow lines are the winners.
It's a fancy one.
Yeah, the fancy one.
Oh my God. Oh, she's getting all soaked. Okay, so that guy's got a Suzuki jacket on. And little aquas.
You gotta pick up the speed first.
Yeah, that one is an anchor. The Gangnam style. There you go. I think they might fall in. My gosh. I love it. Love it. Everybody's having Alright, we're headed back. That was a nice little tour. Well worth it. Definitely well worth it. Highly recommend. Just to do it, once or twice.
Oh, you can't drink this. No water, but you can eat it. There's coconuts inside, so this is water coconut they call it.
Oh, we gotta make room for traffic.
Yes, and they're so good at it though. Look at them.
Yeah. So these guys are rocking.
Oh, look at this. It's a party.